So this is the preview to the 997. It's one day before launch, still needs painting, but this is his wide body kit for the 997. And it's pretty much fitted and finished, I guess. It's being released on the 9th of January. Pretty smart. And then we got the front fenders, we got a bump, it goes onto the front bumper. We got side skirts, rear fender. The rear bumpers were obviously widened up to accommodate for this, to meet the fender. But yeah, this is it. This is the 997, and then tomorrow I'll be able to show you the final product. But it's looking pretty cool. Let's take a step back. And that's it. Quite a healthy increase. And you can see it's been widened up quite nicely. So this is the guy's vision, and he did say he wants to make it another one even wider than this, from what I understood. And he did say it needs some fine tuning, but this is basically the concept. So yeah.